Hey folks, I hope everyone's doing well. Happy Easter, happy holidays. And here I am recording the assignment towards the end of Module 2. And I currently work with one of the world's largest job search engine company where it helps people find jobs by allowing them to search for an open position, upload resumes, or apply directly to employers. And at the same time, it also helps businesses hire the right candidates by letting them post job listings and search through millions of job seekers. So essentially, it's a marketplace where it connects job seekers with employers. So with that background, I've picked a project where I'm going to walk you through, where I wanted to explore how we can optimize job ad performance using machine learning. So if you've ever posted a job online and didn't get the response that you were hoping for, you're not alone. So there are many job ads that underperform due to factors like vague descriptions, missing salary details, or just poor formatting. So in this project, I'm trying to build a model that predicts underperforming job postings before they go live, and that way we can optimize and suggest improvements to increase the engagement. So this is the agenda which was clearly given to us from the assignment. So I have the five broad topics, so we can go through each one of them. The first one is opportunity evaluation. So why is this a great use of machine learning? So we have like the high volume and complexity because there are thousands of job ads that go live every day. We can find patterns in success and failures. So some job ads do well, some don't. So machine learning can learn and understand why that's happening. Actionable insights. So if we predict these issues early, we can help the employers optimize ads and we can help job seekers save time. So, as an example, if there is a job listing titled Marketing Ninja, it might require the same skill sets, but it might get ignored because a digital marketing specialist could perform better. So, this model will kind of help identify these patterns. So the crisp DM business understanding. So the employers want job ads that attract qualified candidates, but many struggle to get enough applications. So if a job ad underperforms, companies waste time and money, but the job seekers will miss out on potential opportunities. So here the success metrics could be, increase the percentage of job ads receiving applications within the first 10 days or X number of days. And the output metric could be the model accuracy in predicting the underperformance. And we can kind of go through the job title, salary transparency, the description length, industry trends, historical performance on similar job ads, etc. Solution validation plan. So how do we test the solution? So we need to train the model on historical job posts, identify underperforming ads, again based on historical or past trends, generate improved suggestions. So if the job title is not clear, make it clear. Adding salary information could increase your visibility and bring in more clicks or impressions at the top of the funnel, such kind of things. And A/B testing, so to see if once we implement these changes, if the ads are actually performing better or there was no change. So this is like these are few ideas on how we can validate the solution. So how will we design the machine learning system? So this model could be like a classification system that predicts if a job is likely to underperform or likely to succeed. So it's almost like one or zero. So that can be clear. So I've kind of put it as a classification system, and we could have like some feature engineering where we analyze the job titles using NLP, and use the categorical data like industry and job type, and consider some engagement metrics like click-through rates, or uh, applications started to apply rates, conversion rates, etc. So a lot of things that we can look. So basically, like funnel metrics under the feature engineering, and serving the model. It can be like employers can get real-time feedback when posting jobs. So once a job is posted, this model, all going well, can predict if this job is likely to underperform, and then signal that back to the HR or the recruiter. That way they can kind of see that, okay, they can set expectations, make these corrections, and work on those suggested improvements. So potential risks, concept drift, bias risk, and user adoption are some of the challenges. So similar to how we went through in the assignment, the job market trends tend to change. So the model must be updated. And there's a lot of chances of bias here, especially from the job seeker side. So the model should make sure that there is no bias, and reinforce that. And employers might resist in making these changes, so we need to provide them clearly as to why they should make these changes, hopefully backed with data. So that can do. So, as a conclusion, this project could be a game changer for job ad optimization. Like future improvements could include like full recommendation system that helps employers craft like high performing jobs. And yeah, so something that I was fascinated about and very relevant to where I'm currently working as well. So this was fun, kind of creating this project. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any thoughts or suggestions. I'm looking forward to hearing what everyone else is working on. Thank you.